Hey guys, how's it going? KW here, back for another video. We are here at True by Hilton, Denver, Pennsylvania. And I'm going to give you a little room tour. It's been a while. So right here in our security department, we got our peephole with this little thing. Then we got our little fire map right there. Then we got our deadbolt and our little extra lock, which is good. And you do sanitize your room with Lysol. You put the stickers on your door to seal the room until it's been sanitized and cleaned. Right here, the bathroom is occupied by my roommate. Right here, you got yourself a mirror and a light. Steve Hilton, clean stay stuff. Right here's your little closet area. You can hang stuff here. You can put stuff right there. Got a little fridge, no microwave. Iron board. We got 2 queen beds. This is a newer property. It's only like a year old. Very comfortable. The linens are really nice. Good night's sleep. Beds are comfortable. Nice pillows. We have got joint rooms there. We got a bunch of USB and outlets in this room, which I like. Got a little sitting area or something for your luggage. We got a 55 inch Samsung flat screen TV. Got a little nightstand here with some lights, more outlets, USBs. We got a clock, more USBs. I love all the outlets here. There, where I'm pointing, is the thermostat control. It's an Amana control your PTAC unit. More lights on the bed. More lights here. Here is your little work area with another light. Here is your Amana PTAC unit. Then, for the curtain situation, you pull these down right here. And yeah, you just pull these down and you get some privacy, and you pull the second one down and the blackout shade will come down. That's kind of cool. Right here you got a window. Here's our view of the road. Got Turkey Hill. Got a Comfort Inn right there. And you got the red roof in right there. But yeah. Need to have free breakfast and indoor pool. The free breakfast is you sit down like at a restaurant in the morning, and someone from the hotel will go take your order and they'll go bring you out the breakfast. Due to the pandemic stuff, it's not self-serve, but they still have the breakfast, which is nice. And their indoor pool is open, but I'm not going to be using that because I'm going to leave after this video. But yeah, nice comfortable beds. Since the bathroom's occupied, I'll go for a picture of the bathroom. Bathroom's nice and clean, nice water pressure, nice staff. So if you're looking for a clean budget, if you're looking for a clean place to stay for under $100 in the Denver, Pennsylvania area, True by Hilton, Denver, Pennsylvania is your place.